I'm Levi Fisher, and this is my Toolbox. So obviously having a lot of tools, you know, some of the more expensive ones, probably the bore scope. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead and take that. Yeah, cool. You can put it back this time, right? Yeah. Cool.
Is that like specific to like aviation?
The most high-end tool manufacturer.
Okay.
Good quality. A lot of the stuff, you know, I've got a mix of stuff. It's lifetime warranty, and it's all shiny.
Nice. I know, it's so nice in here. Talk to me about what we have here.
So for, you know, last 7 years or so, up until what, 2023, something like that, I was the air show crew chief for Mike Goulian, so challenge points from different air shows. My favorite's got to be the one from Vertigo Air Shows. Good meaning to it. For those who know, they know. Organization stuff. I got a little ways to go yet here, but...
Wait, hold on. Rewind. You 3D printed this?
Yeah.
Like you have your own personal 3D printer?
Yeah, are all 3D printed and made so they can kind of lock in here. And same thing with the screwdriver holders, and designed and printed all the like ratchet holders and stuff like that. There you go. Again, a lot of snap-on stuff. These are called they're from Thrust Aviation. They're the brew wrenches. They're super low profile. Kind of slept on thing. They're kind of hard to find. A good company that makes them, and they're great. All snap-on wrenches here. These are all Matco, so yeah, no problem. Start getting messier as we go down. It looks a little messy, but everything's still in there. This is kind of stuff that isn't normally used by me. And that ever-loving pliers drawer. Sheet metal stuff, wiring stuff, everything has kind of got its place. All the needle noses are in the same area.
This is a big boy right here. Like, what do you use?
That's for cutting sheet metal.
Oh, okay, okay.
A lot of brass punches, keeping everything marring.
Okay.
Aviation, we're dealing with a lot of, you know, soft surfaces, so having soft punches, stuff like that.
Okay.
And then we've got the junk drawer. Everybody's got to have an overflow for tools. There it is. Got a lot of my electrical equipment. You know, I got a fluke meter, power probe. My battery's dead.
What is the tool that you use, Luis?
Probably this. It's not really used in aviation, but it's called an optical center punch. So if you have a hole you're trying to put in something, you grab these little glass vials and you can actually see a little crosshair in there. Pull that crosshair, you get it lined up where you need it on your piece, where you need your hole. Pull that out. Put the center punch in, hit with a hammer, and it leaves a perfect center punch. I don't think I've ever actually used it for aviation. Kind of like specialty, it's probably one of these. Probably this one is probably more modified. So it's to get at starter switches on G7 Cirruses. So it's got to be ground down. There's a wiring harness that comes through. So it's probably my most modified one. Yeah, it's my turn. I'm gonna borrow this.